Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this solid wood platform wood frame. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So we started by taking everything out of the box and assembling it. Everything comes packaged well and all the hardware you need is included. The pieces are labeled, which makes assembly pretty straightforward. It uses solid wood slats and reinforced cross beams, so you don't need a box spring. The frame sits completely flat on the floor, which helps with stability and keeps it from squeaking. Here's the frame fully assembled. I like the floor standing low profile design because it makes the room feel more open and less bulky. The wood finish gives it a modern, minimalistic look, but it feels warm and natural. You can place it against the wall or keep it freestanding, and it looks good either way. Once the mattress is on, everything sits clean with no sliding or gaps. The frame is designed to support the mattress directly, so again, no box spring is needed. This bed frame is available in sizes from twin all the way up to a super king, and there are multiple color options depending on your space or your type of decor. If you're looking for a simple, sturdy bed frame that is easy to assemble and doesn't take over your room, this is a solid option. I'll go ahead and link this bed frame down below, and also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.